So, you want to make videos like Dr. Mike? Well, this is the wrong video for you. This is the right video. This is how to make videos like Dr. Mike. Wear abnormally tight shirts and flex your biceps the entire video. Wear nice clothes. Cook healthy food. Eat healthy food. Be healthy food. Play The Sims like you don't know how to play. And I mean, at all. Be from New York. But I'm not from New York. Act like you're from New York. I'm from New York. Perfect. Copy his intro. Fact check everything. What's up, guys? Dr. Mike here, back with another fact check COVID-19 video. Stay alert, not anxious. After all those steps, you should go viral. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. It took me a lot of time to do, and yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And I want to say, if Dr. Mike ends up seeing this video, I just want to say, keep doing what you're doing, because you're making the world a better place, and you're awesome. Peace!